Greetings, food aficionados. Today, we're delving into the heart of coastal flavors with a recipe that's as delightful to say as it is to eat, Meen Pullimunchi. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm excited to guide you through the culinary secrets that make this dish an absolute coastal delicacy. But before we dive into the deliciousness, let's gather our coastal treasures. 4-5 Byadgi chilies. 2-3 Kashmiri chilies. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, dhania. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, jeera. Half a teaspoon mustard seeds, rye. 10-12 black peppercorns. 2-3 fenugreek seeds, methi. 3-4 garlic cloves. 1 small onion. 2 pieces peeled ginger. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 tablespoon oil. 1 tablespoon chopped onions. 5-6 curry leaves. 2 tablespoon tamarind, soaked in 1/4 cup hot water. Salt to taste. 5 pieces kingfish, also known as surmai. 2 slit green chilies. A few pieces julienned ginger. Heat a pan and dry roast the chilies until they start to smoke up a bit and get soft. Take it off the heat and let it cool. In the same pan, start dry roasting coriander seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, black peppercorns and fenugreek seeds. Dry roast on medium heat for 2-3 minutes until they start to smoke a bit and get a little golden. Transfer to the bowl with the chilies, let them cool completely, add garlic, small onion, peeled ginger and turmeric powder and grind into a fine paste. In a kadai, wok, pan, heat oil and fry the chopped onion and curry leaves until the edges of the onions just start to brown. Add the paste along with water and adjust the consistency to a thin curry. Season it well with some salt, simmer, add ginger juliennes and slit green chilies. Adjust the sourness with tamarind, mix well, and let it simmer for 6-7 minutes on medium heat. Add the fish, add more water if required, and let the fish slowly poach in the curry for 5-6 minutes on medium heat. Check the salt while the fish is cooking and don't stir once you add the fish. Serve hot with dosas or rice. Our Meen Pullimunchi is now ready to be served. The aroma alone will transport you to the sun-kissed shores of the coast. If you're ready to bring the coastal charm to your kitchen, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more culinary adventures. Enjoy making and savoring this delicious Meen Pullimunchi, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!